A huge round of applause for our fantastic band. Unfortunately, we're nearing the end of tonight's entertainment. But before we go, please, this, our version of that fantastic Led Zeppelin hit, Stairway to Heaven.
And she's buying a stairway to heaven. And when she gets there, she knows if the stars are all closed, with a word she can get what she came for. Ooh, ooh, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure, 'cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In a tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven. Yes, indeed. When I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts I have seen rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. And it's whispered that soon, if we all call a tune, then the piper will lead us to reason, and a new day will dawn for those who stand long, and the forests will echo with laughter. Do you remember laughter? Priceless. Some good news, people. If there's a bustle in